Okay.
Just kind of flattening out the pancake.
Show me what you got. You gonna make another pancake? That's good. What do you think?
Pretty good. Just so small.
So what are we having for breakfast today?
Pancakes.
What else?
Bacon.
Oh, I see. Is this what we do just about every Sunday?
Yes.
It's pretty fun, I would say. What do you got in your pancakes? You're not giving us enough detail.
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. Yeah, that's kind of special. We don't do that every day. Must be some kind of special day.
No, not really.
Well, tell me something. How do we know when it's time to flip the pancake?
When all the bubbles have popped. And when's Grandma coming?
Grandma's coming on Wednesday. And then be here for Thanksgiving. So is this one ready to go? Maybe a little more. My goodness. Are we sleepy? Not a bit. You have to be alert when you're making pancakes.
Because you don't want your sis to fall in the pan.
You got that right. Or to burn your hand, or to dump the pancake. Turkey bacon. Little Thanksgiving prime
I think this might be
primer.
a
Appetizer.
I think this might be.
You think so? Let's see what you can do.
Can we cook pancakes for Grandma?
Nice. Flip. Sure we can. Let's just say,
Just
hey.
have the week off. We'll have the whole week off, but most of the week off.
That's something to be thankful for.
Pancakes.
Yeah, Grandma. And having the week off. Alrighty. Say, hey, Grandma.
Hi.
That's not good enough.
Hi, Grandma. Ow.
How about Lola Anita?
Hello, Bonita.
And Lolo?
Lolo.
You seem like you're having a good day.
Hi.
Alrighty. We can play some violin today.
I guess.
What are we going to play?
Mason.
The May song. How's that one go? Remember?
No.
I see. I guess we'll be practicing extra long today.